Hey fam, Janna here from Sibs Co. So today I'm showing you a quick, easy manicure in 5 minutes possibly, or even less, courtesy of Olive and June. We're gonna try them out. So this is not sponsored, but we're definitely gonna give these babies a whirl. Here we go. So yeah, as you can see, my nails are looking a little rough in the kitchen here from cooking, and Jennifer's still cooking, poor thing. Okay, so yeah, these are those babies right now. They need some help.
First, start out by prepping your nails. Trim cuticles, shape and buff, then wipe off with nail polish remover or an alcohol pad. Next, size your fake nails to your real nails. Olive and June also provided their own set of instructions, and most fake nail brands do provide some form of step-by-step guide. Instead of using the nail glue that was provided in the kit, I like to use my Static Nails nail glue, and I find it easy to apply and also gentle on my nails. One last quick tip as you are applying glue to your fake nail and to your real nail, start on your dominant hand, pinky first, working your way into your thumb. And a final tip, the longer you press down on your nail to set the glue, the longer your manicure typically lasts.
And there you have it, fam. A quick, easy manicure, just in time for Valentine's Day.